To eject the SD card on your Xiaomi Smart Camera C701 is easy. You just need to open up the Xiaomi Home app and select your camera. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and choose Manage Storage. Select SD card status and then select the option Unmount SD card and confirm that choice. Once it's finished unmounting, and you should receive a notification on your screen as well as a beep coming from your camera letting you know it's been unmounted, all you need to do is simply disconnect the camera from the power source, like so. And then you want to bring up the camera like this. So drag it all the way up until you can see the SD card slot. Then you're going to go ahead and just press in on the SD card using your fingernail so that you can eject the SD card. Once you've ejected the SD card, you can now pull it out successfully, and then you can plug in your camera, having successfully ejected the SD card from it. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.